So Mountain of Roses, today we're going to talk about the three loops in C++. So first is the for loop. So before that, it's for here, pound include iostream. So this is our preprocessor directive. So second is our main function. So int main curly braces and closing braces, then return 0 because we're using integer. So this is our main function right here. So let's talk about for loops first. So instead of writing a bunch of codes, for example, you want to print your name 5 times. So let's print our name 5 times. Cout. Let's copy this so that we can easy to apply this one. So let's print this one. So as you can see, it will inputted my name 5 times. So instead of doing that, a bunch of codes, let's use for loops for that, or looping, so that it's easy for us uh, to print any that we wanted to print. So first is for. So for loops is have 3 parts inside in this parenthesis. So first is we show an initialization. So integer because we're using a number. So and our variable is I example, then let's put the value, so it's 1. So we're done of initialization. So second is the condition. So my objective of this code is I wanted to print my name 5 times. So I is less than equal to 5. Then so that's our condition. So lastly is our increment. So I plus plus. So it's I. So if our code is true, it will add 1 and print 1. So that so 1 is less than 5, so it will print 1 and 1. So let's wear curly braces. Let's put here icon our name. So steady cout parentheses double quote. So child, and let's put here an end line. So let's try to run our code if this will run 5 times. So as you can see, it will run 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So what if we say 3? So as you can see, it will inputted 3, so that instead of writing a bunch of codes, we're using a for loop for that, so that we can easily input it if any what we want. That's our for loop. So next is our while loop. So in while loop, so he don't have three parts, same as for loop. So here inside the parentheses, it's only for condition. And so let's make an initialization here. So we're using int again, so it's because um, we're using a number, so int sample p, it's our variable, and it's equals to 0. So what if we wanted to print a number? So while loop is he checked the condition first before executed the body loops. So if the condition is false, the body loop will not be executed at all. So let's try to find out. So p is less than 5, curly braces. So here is our body loop. So steady again, see out, double quote. Sorry, I forgot the last. So double quote, and let's number, I guess. Let's put here the p, and end line. So let's put here the p plus plus for, so that our loop will stop. This is increment. This is the increment. So let's try to find out. Let's run our code. If it runs 5 times, or 4, I guess. I'm sorry, I forgot the semicolon. So as you can see, it ran 5 times. So 0 1 2 3 4, because 5 is false, so that it will not be executed. So what? So let's proceed in do while loop. So do while loop, even if the condition is false, the body loop will still be executed, because the body loop runs before the condition is checked. So let's find out. So let's put initialization, so int, because we're using a number. So our variable is p, and it's equals to 5. So do curly braces, and here is our body loop. So steady, see out, we want to print our name. So end line, and here we put here the condition. So while p is less than 5, so that's our condition. So as you can see, 5 is false, and our the value of our variable is 5, so and our condition is 5, so 5 is false, but it still be executed because the do while loop will be executed, the body loop runs before the condition is checked. So let's try to find out. I sorry, I forgot the semicolon here. So as you can see, it will still inputted my name, because even though if it's false, it still be executed. So that's the do while loop. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.